professional sound.
Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Adam Carswell and I am doing my laundry right now. Welcome to my laundromat in our house. Anyways, today is November 27th, 2017, and I say the date specifically because we're going to talk a little bit more about cryptocurrency now. I've noticed the past week, 72 hours, 24 hours, there has been a lot of hype around Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and this is an industry that I am fond of, and I advise anyone who's willing to invest in a new life endeavor to seriously consider it, because if you haven't heard by now, there's Bitcoin is almost trading at $10,000 a coin. I first bought my first Bitcoin when it was trading at $1,800 a coin, and that was back in March. And I didn't buy, for example, like $1,800 worth. Just so you know, everyone out there, when you purchase it in decimal points. And you could go and buy one whole Bitcoin at a time if you want right now. If you want to go ahead and drop $10,000, be my guest. I think that'd be great for you in the long run. But just to get a feel for it, just buy a little bit. Buy like $20, $50 worth and just sit back and watch it grow and take a look at what's going on. And most importantly, I would say, I've noticed a lot of people are kind of acting out of what they call it, FOMO, fear of missing out. You definitely don't want to invest into anything because of the fear of missing out. You still want to do your due diligence. You still want to research and like really get a good feel for what it is that I'm talking about, and also realize that I am not a financial advisor and I am not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and what I think could be beneficial to you if you proceed to agree with me. Most importantly though, Bitcoin's not the only cryptocurrency. There's literally over 1,200 other cryptocurrencies out there. Bitcoin is just the big player. Another huge one, very popular, a lot of people know, is called Ethereum. I like to call Ethereum digital gas or digital oil. I like to call Bitcoin digital gold. The most misleading thing I've learned about cryptocurrency is its title, cryptocurrency. So when you think of it, you think of like, all right, something like digital that I can exchange for you know, like money, or you know, whatever you consider money, currency. So it's not really accurate in what it is, because more and more people are starting to realize that if they just buy it and hold it, then they will make more money than buying it to use it to make transactions. So it's more like the stock market on steroids, and it's open 24/7 and it never shuts down, and anyone even with $5 in their pocket can become an investor right now. I know I used to have an E-Trade account. This is a couple years ago. I opened the account because I put 50 bucks in it just to open the account, get a check in the mail 3 months later for 50 bucks from E-Trade saying, because your account value wasn't over $500, we just shut down your account. I'm like, oh, great. So how is any small-time player supposed to really become an investor when they're a small-timer? This is the perfect outlet for that. The main point that I want to get across with Bitcoin is not, you know, when it first came out, the idea was to use it as transactional for money, dollar for dollar, but it's become a commodity. I still personally believe it is very early to get involved. So if you're like, oh man, it's at $10,000, I'm way behind, bruh. Just do it. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Just send me a message. If you're watching on Facebook, if you're on YouTube, I don't know, just go to my website, carswell.io. You can contact me however you want if you have any questions about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. I hope you like my beard. This is 1 month, let's see, started on November 1st and now I'm almost at December 1st. It has always been difficult for me to grow a beard, and this is the most successful I've been so far. So gonna keep it up, but remember, in all you think, say, and do, take it to the next level.